Hello guys and welcome to Drika Style. As you can see here, I'll be showing you how to get this protective style and we're going to jump right into it. Okay, so first I have my wig and it is a lace wig and I'm putting it right over that wig band. It's a really thick, it's either a headband or a wig band and it prevents the wig from slipping back. So I'm just putting that on and securing it in the back. And I'm going to take my water bottle and just spritz a little bit on there just to take some of the volume down on that side. I put a little on there before I started the video, but yeah, just wanted to add a little more. And as you can see right here, I was just putting a little oil on there as well because I really like how it felt on my hair, and with the water and the oil it actually kept some of the volume down because this wig can get pretty big. And I'm just finger detangling, and most of the time with your wigs that's what you want to do, and definitely you want to make sure your part is in the middle. So this is not a half wig, it's the full wig that I'm just trying to make a half wig so that I can do this style. I just wanted something a little different, and because of the lace wig it also had a lace there that was the same color as my skin tone, so I had to go in and use my black spray from the beauty store and I put it on the part and it easily washes off when I'm done wearing this. And now I'm just covering up the part, but I wanted to spray it just in case it shows for whatever reason. And yes, please subscribe to my channel. And I was pointing to the little part on the side of the lace where it's like my natural skin tone color as well. And I'm just spraying it with the black hairspray. A little of it got on my fingers and I was like, oh my goodness. And of course, you know, your girl have to try and keep those edges laid, y'all. And another trick is if you do have thin edges, you can use the spray and spray it on your toothbrush or your baby bang brush, whatever, and just blend it in with your hair. I didn't do it on this video, but sometimes I do add a little fullness, make it look a little full with the spray. I love doing my baby bangs. I really love doing my baby bangs. So as you can see, I'm very focused right here. And I like to use a toothbrush, but now they sell the brushes that's made to do your bangs, so you can buy that one as well. And I like those too. Sometimes the toothbrush gives you more of a point and precise, just it's real precise, the lines from the baby bangs. So sometimes I like the toothbrush better. And this is just a little piece of hair that I twisted and I was putting on the front of my hair. I just came up with this style randomly and I didn't see it anywhere. Sometimes when everything is calm and still, I just think of styles. So I put 2 rubber bands on each end after twisting it, and so now I'm just placing that little hairpiece in the right position, putting it where I want it, making sure it's straight and even all around. And you'll come back and see me put some bobby pins in there as well, just to keep it from moving. And I'm just sticking some bobby pins in the back where I have the 2 rubber bands. And you can just put this on however you want. Just a regular piece of hair that I twisted right out the pack, and this is Marley hair and it's closer to my texture hair, so that's why I chose this one instead of the regular pinnacle hair. So I'm going under with the bobby pins and making sure I push it back so it doesn't show, because that's not cute. I'm just going all around making sure this thing is secure, because I did not want to be dancing and this thing come off. It would not be a pretty sight. Well, on social media it would. So yeah, I thought it was a little too thick around the sides, and of course I didn't want it pressing on my ear or too close to my ear. I wanted a little space so it doesn't bother my ear. So I'm just putting those bobby pins in, trying to just rearrange this thing. Sorry guys, yes I did have on my booty shorts and I just went to go get some scissors. And any little imperfections, you can cut those off. It doesn't matter because after you cut it, you will just see like better results. So it's just a little hair piece that you will not, you know, it's not something that costs a whole lot of money, so you probably won't take too much pride in joy in. So yeah. So now we're just going to continue to detangle, and basically guys, that is it. We're going to move up to the makeup, and unfortunately for some of the makeup part of this video, it started to get blurry, so bear with me.